Hey everyone, welcome to CloudSutra. I know it's been a long time since we uploaded a video on YouTube, but we are finally back. From today, we'll be posting at least 2 to 3 videos every week, so make sure you subscribe and stay updated. Also, many of you know that we have officially launched our website to help people find cloud and DevOps jobs. Just go to cloudsutra.in and you'll find all the job listings. You can use search filters to see only DevOps jobs, cloud jobs, software jobs, or even non-IT jobs. If you are looking for something specific, you can also use the search bar to find exactly what you need. Once you find a job that aligns with your skills, click on View Details to read the job description carefully. Make sure you understand all the requirements, and if everything looks good, click Apply Now. But before applying, you need to make sure that your resume perfectly aligns with the job description. A lot of you have been asking that we are applying through your site, but we aren't getting any responses. And I want to stress one very important point here. It's all about how well your resume matches the job description. If you're using the same generic resume for every job, it's not going to work. You need to customize your resume based on each job description to increase your chances of getting a response. Now, if you have any feedbacks, suggestions or questions, you can easily reach out to us. Just go to the contact section of our website, type your message and hit submit. And also we have made it even easier for you to learn on our website, where you will find all the tutorials we upload on YouTube, so you can easily access them anytime in one place. Alright, before we jump into today's topic, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel and follow us on LinkedIn, Instagram and our website for more valuable content. Now let's talk about today's topic. If you want to become a successful DevOps or cloud engineer, you must have a strong foundation in operating systems and networking. These are the core building blocks that every DevOps and cloud professionals need to understand. That's why we are starting a playlist called Operating Systems and Networking for Cloud and DevOps Engineers. In this series, we will start from scratch and cover everything step by step. First, we will go deep into Linux and Ubuntu fundamentals, where we will learn about disk and file management, process management, OS networking, memory management, file and user management, and basic Linux commands and tools. After that, we will move on to Windows fundamentals, where we will cover Windows Server basics, memory management, and essential Windows commands and tools. Finally, we will dive into networking fundamentals, including the OSI model, TCPIP, DHCP, NAT, and many more important concepts. And don't worry, we will make sure that everything is explained clearly with animations and real-world examples so that you understand these concepts easily. So in the next video, we'll dive straight into our first topic, that is Linux fundamentals, disk and file management systems. Thank you for your support and don't forget to like, share and subscribe to CloudSutra. See you in the next video. Have a nice day. Thank you.